Are we alone in the universe? This question has intrigued scientists for centuries, capturing the imagination of people everywhere and driving countless other questions about the unknown. Many scientists believe that Earth isn't the only place in the universe to host life, but considering the vastness of the universe, an estimated 2 trillion galaxies, a better question might be, are we alone in the Milky Way? Intelligent civilizations in our galaxy. A study published in the Astrophysical Journal by researchers from the University of Nottingham suggests that the Milky Way galaxy could be home to 36 communicating intelligent alien civilizations. This estimate is considered conservative and is based on the assumption that intelligent alien life forms similarly to how it does on Earth. Scientists assume Earth is not unique. If a planet like ours orbits a sun-like star and develops technological intelligence in the same way as humans, then it is possible that at least 36 Earth-like civilizations exist in our galaxy. Previous calculations of alien life have been based on the Drake equation, which includes 7 factors to estimate the number of intelligent civilizations. However, past estimates have varied widely, from 0 to several billion civilizations. This new method refines the equation using modern data and suggests a likely range of 4 to 21 civilizations, with 36 being the most probable number. The challenge of finding alien civilizations, even if these civilizations exist, finding them is an enormous challenge. Scientists estimate they could be thousands of light years away, making communication or contact incredibly difficult. But rather than looking across the galaxy, we might start with our closest neighbor, Proxima Centauri b, the nearest exoplanet that may potentially harbor alien life. Proxima Centauri, our closest candidate. Proxima Centauri b orbits within the habitable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri. The habitable zone, often called the Goldilocks zone, is the region around a star where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. Proxima Centauri b is very similar in size to Earth, with a mass of approximately 1.17 Earth masses, meaning it is only about 10% larger in diameter than our world. However, it is tidally locked, meaning one side always faces its star, constant daylight, while the other side is in perpetual darkness. This results in 3 possible climate zones: a hot, sunlit side facing the star, a cold, dark side in eternal night, a habitable twilight zone in between where conditions might be suitable for life. Could life exist on Proxima Centauri b? If alien life exists there, it might have adapted to these extreme conditions. On the bright side, organisms could have evolved radiation-resistant mechanisms or developed photosynthesis-like processes using the constant light. On the dark side, life forms might rely on geothermal energy or alternative heat sources instead of starlight. Implications of intelligent life. Nearby. If intelligent aliens exist on Proxima Centauri b, the implications would be profound. It would suggest that intelligent life is relatively common in the galaxy. Given that the Milky Way has 400 billion stars, the chances of the only 2 intelligent planets being right next to each other are incredibly low. If these aliens have not contacted us, it could mean that interstellar travel is even harder than we think, or that they are technologically less advanced than us. In this case, humanity could be the first interstellar explorers, making us the aliens who visit them. However, all of this remains purely speculative since we have no confirmed evidence of extraterrestrial life. Other promising exoplanets beyond Proxima Centauri b, scientists have identified other exoplanets that might host life. 1. Kepler-62, a potential water world located 1,200 light-years away. Kepler-62e is a super-Earth, about 1.6 times the size of Earth. Scientists believe it could be covered by vast oceans, possibly harboring aquatic life. If Kepler 62e has an atmosphere, it is expected to be warm, humid, and cloudy, which could create conditions suitable for life, though developing land-based civilizations might be more difficult. However, its extreme distance makes it challenging to study with current technology. 2. Gliese 667c. C, a planet in a triple star system. Located 23 light-years away, Gliese 667c is another super-Earth with a radius 1.7 times that of Earth. It belongs to a triple star system, meaning if you stood on the planet, you might see 3 suns in the sky. Its host star is a red dwarf, which means it could burn for 150 billion years, 15 times longer than our Sun. Even if life doesn't exist there now, this extended stability could provide enough time for complex life to evolve in the future. Scientists find this system especially interesting because 3 of its planets are in the habitable zone, increasing the chances of extraterrestrial life. 3. Kepler 22b, a mysterious super-Earth. Kepler 22b, located 640 light-years away, is about 2.4 times Earth's radius. Its exact composition is unknown. It could be a vast ocean world or even a gas planet. If Kepler 22b is an ocean planet, it could host aquatic life, making it one of the most exciting candidates for habitability. How aliens might see us. If an advanced alien civilization lived on Kepler 22b and observed Earth through a telescope, they wouldn't see us as we are today. Instead, they would see Earth as it was in the year 1384, our medieval era, because light takes 640 years to reach them. This highlights just how massive our galaxy is. Even though 640 light-years seems vast, it is less than 1% of the Milky Way's full size of 100,000 light-years. How many habitable planets are there? Based on Kepler Space Telescope data, scientists estimate there could be up to 300 million potentially habitable planets in the Milky Way alone. If each galaxy contained just one civilization, then with 2 trillion galaxies, the universe would host at least 2 trillion civilizations. Conclusion: a humbling perspective. Faced with these staggering numbers, it's humbling to think that our civilization might be just a tiny speck in the vast cosmic ocean. As we gaze at the stars and explore the universe, one question remains: what legacy will we leave behind in this cosmic sea of possibilities?